welcome back to As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And we still dey discuss the power sector inside Obodo, Nigeria. We dey ask whether inside this our country, light go fit ever dey 24 hours. If we check all the money when we say we don't invest inside the power sector, come see the progress we don't get since 1999, it go be like say we dey take one step forward, 10 steps backwards, and na serious wahala dey. We've been telling now of the communities for inside Delta State, Anioma and Oshimili, when we say they talk say for 7 years, they never take their eyes, see light. Another one, they happen inside Ondo State. As youths then carry, we no go gree, enter road to complain, say, for 6 months, they never get light. And it not even be like, say, our NEPA people, they won't do anything to that problem. We don't identify all of the problems. People, they talk am. But today, we want proper solution so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward.
Chukwudi, the other important thing to say, in the heat of them trying to say, point out the major issues they affect us, part of which is say, with the talk, say, yes, light don't deal overwhelmingly. Say, people don't talk, say, yes, light there everywhere. But then we don't come realize, say, this light they talk about, say, it just realizing that just some people get the light. It never really cut across every sector, that's every part of our country. A typical example would be the example which you could have given. And even in the heat of this, we can't see another issue where they very, very important we also need to talk about. Now the high cut, that is the bill, the increase, that is the high bill where this same NEPA people they do it, they give consumers of power. Because people don't they complain recently, say, look, say this power bill where they bring now, say it did too much. That
exactly.
When I mean it did too much, nobody saying that the regular thing, say just like say they multiply by 10. By 10, say the money don't do too much.
Exactly.
So the issue come and say, the money, what would they pay for? What would they say would they pay for light? And as a matter of fact, as they even they talk, then they even try to increase by maybe next month or this thing. They try, then they plan to increase again by a few percentage. But the question comes and say, the power what would they say at the moment? We go feel beat our chest, say yes, say it they equivalent to the high bills. Where did they give us? I bet they just because of say they don't provide power. We will not even they sure whether by tomorrow now you go fall back to the same pattern way they before. Because in all sincerity, we never hear say our mega
they increase at all.
Yes, because look at it. Let me now take you back to history. We in Nigeria as a country started with at least when it comes to power generation, we started alongside with and the countries like South Africa, Iran. That is in the early at our early history. But right about now, make we look these countries that we don't mention, can't see the improvement they don't set up so far when it comes to power sector. Check out a country like South Africa. Right about now, South Africa they generate close to 60,000 megawatts.
Exactly. And their population, no even...
And their population, our 50 million population.
Can you imagine? You
understand? But here in Nigeria, with an overwhelming 2.7 or even more than 2.7 trillion naira, what we don't throw into power right from 1999. We cannot boast of 6 or even boast of 5 megawatts.
And the one we even get, it can't be like say some people there when we say that they suck the small one we get.
Imagine.
Because under the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, we see increase, I mean we not see increase.
Chukwudi, how the
see increase, I mean we not see increase.
No, they bring that one.
Answer my question.
Which kind of question be that?
Answer my question.
Increase where I take my own IC.
Which increase when you take your own IC?
Increase when Nigeria take their own IC.
Never you ever come on top of this program and try to deceive Nigerians.
It has not changed.
What did not change?
It has not changed.
We know how many megawatts we they generate before Oga President enter.
We they increase. We they generate megawatts. And yet the power sector, for me to post say yes, power they might listen. I don't even feel open my talk.
Nkubi, if you dey chop pot of egusi soup with only 1 fish before, you can't give your wife extra money. The number of fish maybe before now 4 she dey cut. It can't turn to 8. Is there no increase or is there increase?
Do you know
answer my question.
Do you know where you go?
Answer my question.
Hold on, I never answer this.
Why you be say?
Okay, see as I go take answer your question.
We no
see as I go answer your question. if we hear Nigerians call, make we hear their reaction, other Oga Jonah era, how light be compared to now. That is by the way. That is by the way. And also, make generally,
we check the
put the assessment.
When Oga Jonah did here and when he did now.
Okay,
it's simple.
For instance,
it's simple.
It is simple.
The highest when Nigeria never generates. It is independent. Now under Goodluck Ebele Jonathan administration, true of
so
us.
How has it affected Nigerians?
Begin to ask yourself.
How has it affected Nigerians?
People come and begin to sing, say, we don't they get light. We don't they get light. Who could be where the light there now?
Chukwudi.
No, who could be where the light there now?
Let me ask you a question.
Who could be where is the light?
If
where is the light?
If Oga Jonah failed to instill discipline into Nigerians or people where they handle this sector, share who they complain about this thing.
If the people when they handle this sector, when they collect all the money, they look, say, we want to work with our former president to move this country forward. They're not going to do backyard runs. We're not going to get light.
President, the former president, since these people, they know they do their work. What if his job? Not be to say he wants make it sanction them or let them off.
In fact, under
he has an option to let them off if he wants to.
Now we see radical transformation of the power sector.
Indeed.
Have you forgotten
radical transformation?
Have you forgotten from NEPA to PACN?
Indeed, okay.
Have you forgotten the unbundling?
Okay.
Have you forgotten
NEPA to PACN? Okay, from PACN, we can't say they can't sell them, they can't privatize them to the various companies.
The essence of privatization?
In the end, what has been
the essence of privatization? How many years it takes us to unbundle? Oga Jonah come sit down. Based on say the man na doctor, when go school, when read book, when understand say yes, we must follow the right place. He can't say when they give him all the documents. He no even sleep. He read them from morning to night. Come carry back and say this is what we are supposed to do. Something when some other people tell me they don't do anything. This is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do. He can't do. Some bad people can't look say, oh, so this man wants to change. President Goodluck. Come
on, bring your statement as if you love and reach. Hey, don't bring in that sentimental mood there. I don't want it. The point is this, Nigerians. Let us be sincere to ourselves. Make we tell ourselves the actual truth. Let us be make we just tell ourselves the truth. The point is, if you talk about a particular administration, and it takes a particular administration to do a particular thing, or increase the megawatts of a particular power sector, the question is, if they generate light, maybe say they get light 2 times, or probably 6 hours now, maybe I can't get here say they increase. I think I'm going to expect make the duration of my light, regular light, make it reach like 8 or 9. But still, rather than increase, it depreciate, it fall back. Madam Josephine, calling us from Shomolu. Good morning, Madam Josephine.
You know whether I'm Madam. You know whether I'm Sisi.
Madam Josephine, good morning, Jerry. Talk to us. Good morning.
Person get this kind of sweet voice, you call her Madam.
You don't do you. Let them talk.
Good morning, Sisi Josephine.
My personal person, Chukwudi, I hail you.
Thank you very much.
Madam Josephine, I'm your personal person too.
You be my personal person, but my personal person, Chukwudi.
Oh, you are jealous. Thank you very much, Sisi.
Madam Josephine, they bear my man name.
No, Madam, call her Sisi.
They bear my man name. For the sake of say.
Now I won't talk.
Okay.
You say this. You see this light issue, what would they talk?
Okay.
I want to contribute my own put.
Okay.
When our new president come up, they say body language. But this light issue not be today start to. Because one, if you look at where working hand day inside, in the sense that even our importers of fuel, they're not going to make us get this light. Apart from transportation, those vehicles, those are most why they run transportation system. How many of us they drive our personal car for 7 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours? But because they don't say the more no light, the more would they use fuel, they generate our own light for ourselves. Now make this light not feel good. And
Madam Josephine, you don't identify one problem. I beg, give us solution to that problem.
Okay, the solution now how they talk.
Right on.
Okay, the solution when they try to talk now, they say all tiers of government have to come together. All the tiers of government have to come together. Make them come put time because local government chairman they there, governor they there, the president they there. Not be one person work.
Yes.
I travel to my village for Delta State for 1 good month. They don't bring like past 8 hours, and they go bring big call. When you not see like how you go take pay. I want talk. They say make our government make them not say body language. make them do work. Now the work by the past administrator don't do. Now we they enjoy today. The new administrator never start anything. Now sit down look now dog name.
Sister Josephine,
Madam Josephine, my mama name say. My mama name say. In fact, you have spoken well.
Those cabal where they all our life, make them do them.
Madam
Josephine, thank you very much
for that important point. You identify problem,
even complete solution.
God bless you. We go collect Oga Chile all the way from River State. Oga Chile, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Chile. I beg, raise your voice up small.
Yeah, what really happened about the power issue? You see, the Nigeria are not having enough power. It has there are so many factors that is militating against it.
Okay.
Now we have what I would call the foreign and the local factor. You know that Nigeria happens to be the highest generator user in the whole world.
Okay.
And from the country where these generators are being imported, those countries are not going to fold their arms and see Nigerian power job to work freely.
True.
Because they have politicians who are also conniving with them. So for Nigeria to be able to, pull away from these foreign saboteurs, there must have to be a holistic approach. That holistic approach would be like, for instance, Jonathan started in a good way by privatizing and, making sure that all these these discos are given out. But unfortunately, the new government is discrediting that government without trying to look at what they have done. The way forward is to look at what the past administration has done and find a way of bettering, trying to make it better. Not to remove all the things that they have done and then start a new one. That is why it is costing Nigerians trillions of naira, trillions of dollars, but yet we can still not have enough power. Now, when you talk about the Delta issue, now these people that has not gotten power alive for the past 7 years, and yet they have state government. What is the state government doing? That even if you cannot go through the national grid, what about solar energy? Can't that particular state, can't the government arrange it in a way where they can make light affordable to these people through solar energy? Many countries are operating and using it. Must we always talk about electricity in Nigeria every day and keep on spending money when you can, if you find out that this method is not working, why not the other method? I'm living in Bonny, for instance, and we are operating a meter system in which that whenever you are using the meter, if your credit finish, the meter light will just go off. So there is nothing like I didn't use this or I didn't use that, and there is nothing like what you paid is not what you are using. So what is stopping Nigeria from making sure that every person that is using light must have this electric meter?
Oga Chile, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't talk finish for on top of this matter, and you stand where I stand.
Chukwudi, this is not an issue of somebody standing where you stand.
But I'm standing.
But this is an issue of
trying
to at least highlight some of the problems, some of the issues.
No, the issue when I don't highlight here since I don't highlight this, you don't highlight here since.
Me, I kick against the issues where they highlight.
No,
when you can't bring in, say, one particular administration, say I ain't do better pass.
He no do better. He no do
Chukwudi,
better.
highlight the issues. Let us address the issues based on how we see.
You cannot go forward if you don't look at what you have achieved.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Chukwudi, morning. How you doing?
Oga Prince, I dey fine. We dey greet you.
I want start by saying, Chukwudi, I don't know whether you dey yab my former president, good luck, Ebere Jonathan, because the way they break all his name, they bring them into issues. If they tell me, say, be like say you dey yab that man.
No, now what do you think, oh?
You see, since 1999, Nigeria don't spend $20 billion on issue of power. And the analysis say that if you will spend $1 billion, it's supposed to give you 1,000 megawatts.
Exactly.
It's supposed to assume that since Nigeria don't spend 20 billion,
supposed to give us 20.
20,000 megawatts by now.
Exactly.
but we see there on 4,000. And remember that before 1999, it is on 4,000 we are operating on.
Yes.
Then you will come.
It's not above, sir.
Yes, we see there. I think Nigeria should be asking questions. Say, this 20 billion, where did they put it? Where is this money? Are you getting me? Whether it's under President Jonathan or Obata, because now two of them, where they rule off from since 1999, we can't get where we are now. We're supposed to ask two of them, say, this 20 billion, when I don't put for this light, when nothing increase, it still remain there.
Exactly.
When I keep this money. And you know, Delta State, that community where they talk, say, we no get light from Delta State. I think they're from South Zone. And former president from their South. Yet that they complain, say they no get light 7 years ago. It's very, very unfortunate. You see, this issue, let us look the issue holistically and remove politics inside it. Because things that affect me, the things that affect you. Even though you want to bring politics inside it still affects you. You not get them, you not get them. So let's look the issue holistically. Then say why they talk again. And now you saw power. When they saw this power, they still sold it within themselves. Now them buy and back. Them they say, we don't rule us. We no feel make the power work. Now them go buy the same equipment. How they go feel manage and well? Do you understand me?
Exactly.
How you think that they go feel manage and well?
Oga Prince, thank you very much for this your contribution. You identify problem, provide solution, can't even open new place where we say we fit bring our point from. But we'll take a one. Oga Chile been talk about foreign and local factors. That is to say, he gets some kind of hand when they inside
monkey
the soup.
hand, extremely bigger monkey hand.
Big monkey hand. When we need to check
cut
where.
out, not even check, cut and come out if he did truth.
Exactly, so that we go fit move this our power sector forward. Make we take Oga Igo calling us from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, man, with a fine shirt. I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
The controversial Kubi.
Tell him.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning.
This issue where Una bring come, so if I know the way they're happy, because before Una bring up this issue this morning, we already they quarrel because of light issue. To me, for where they stay, they give us light quite well, very well. But the issue where you go talk, we say, you will first think or say government self they try. But now, the other way around, what of those where they vandalize government property, NEPA property, where they vandalize NEPA property? You see, even some you see illegal connection, see they contribute to this light problem. You go see say if you get meter, when it be say if they don't give you light, NEPA not to give you, say, may you copy 7,000. Then if you get meter, now when like day, the meter go read.
Yes.
Then secondly, you will see, say, we not get corruption, they shop into our system. They say, if you go apply for meter for NEPA, it go take
we're
you
supposed to be free, oh.
It go take you 3 months. 3 months to apply for 3-phase meter, where they'll collect 72,000 naira for you.
But Oga Igo,
yes.
in the first place, we know very well say the meter issue, that is the per billion meter this thing. So now it's supposed they free. I will not be so.
Yes. If you know that they charge, they get fixed charge.
Okay.
For that for the meter. If you are giving us fixed charge, then you as well tell us say you they render service to us. You they get me like say you they give us the service. But one, you know they give the service, then when month end, like day or you know day, you will remove your service commot. And you know they give us the service. Then I want corruption to chop our money too. You they get me?
Yes, yes.
If they apply for meter now, you're supposed to say you reach there, there should be meter there. So as soon as you pay for the meter, you apply for the meter like this, they just take your name, insert her into the meter, say, this is not pay, let the meter go. But you apply for meter, 3 months, you never reach. And they charge you. And if you don't get meter, they go, you stay. All my friends, they quarrel this morning. They stay for just self-contained. They give an estimated deal of 8,000 naira every month for boys' quarter. Every month.
Oga Igo, thank you very, very much.
In fact,
you don't identify problem.
Another area, maintenance,
power when we dey discuss.
vandalization and maintenance.
Vandalism and
it's very,
also
very, very
maintenance.
important.
Oga Kalu calling us all the way from Enugu. Oga Kalu, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chugode.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Kalu.
And good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
This is where we are overall. Now, one go repair my light.
We never can
try.
tell. We can afford to provide solution to your light problem.
Nah, this NEPA issue na wahala for Naija. Na wahala. Imagine for place where I'm from, Ondo South, for closing 1 year, they don't get light.
Hey, for where?
Ebonyi, Happy go South.
Ebonyi.
For closing 1 year, they don't get light. They don't know what things transfer between the community and the distribution company. So, how the thing right there now say how we go do this light issue? Now you mentioned how many billions or trillions
we don't spend so far, yes.
For that thing. You compare them to South Africa, we're going to mention. So, maybe they pray, may this change whether the South can't change this NEPA thing.
Oga Kalu, thank you very, very much. You don't even come add to the growing list of communities when they inside our Obodo Nigeria where they complain say they never see light. You talk about Afikpo South inside Ebonyi State. Say for like 1 month, they never get light for their area. Say they never get light for their area. This one are also very serious issue and problem when they inside Obodo Nigeria.
Chukwudi, before we collect those few calls, we talk about foreign hand and local hand, you know, where they put hand into the issue of our power. We say where they among the challenges where they get so far. But with the question I come to ask, we say the people where they behind, or rather the people who don't say make they go represent us, we suppose they rule us, where they lead us. But they suppose those say these are issues where they suppose support it on their own part identify. Because in the first place, for you to make sure say a particular sector do it improve, you will need to at least identify the major problem where they affect them, except if the only cause, somehow, if the only cause of why these things they happen like this, Phoebe, you know, make hand they go behind.
But how person go take explain say for one community for 7 years,
they go behind
Anioma and Oshimili when big, where we're inside Delta State, like never day.
But and that way these people don't get represented. They get represented. They get senators. Say these people don't live for their community. Say their community members don't they carry the issue.
Very clear now.
They present to them.
Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
Now good morning.
Oga Bobby, good morning. This is how your voice they sound like this.
No, I don't want to shout, you know.
Okay,
if I shout now, maybe not two go run.
Okay.
So, the thing is to calm down and analyze this problem, because this problem is very big. It's not something of a state, but the entire country. You understand me now? So the problem where we say when they inside, we say it's very big. You understand me now? It's big well. In the sense to say that we they use our own hands, see they cause the problem too. You understand me now? I don't know. I don't need to go into a long distance, but I did just to find solution to the problem. Nigeria government need to release a hand from the light something. You need to give her to
private sectors.
Private, that's kind of sell our light to private sector. Then the private sector then need to sell them to the citizens of the country. You understand me? Now, like for Holland here where I did, the state when I did, Amsterdam when I did, so there's a light company where they there. But the light when I use for my house now, it comes from another state. You see also that is for my house, for inside house when I did, so they can ring my bell to send me, say they get their light now they get better pass than this one, it is cheaper than this one. It's for me.
See competition.
The customer to choose to buy this one or not to.
Oga Bobby, with the contribution where you don't give us, in fact, you don't bring solution to all the problem. Say make we get healthy competition. When we get people when we say they go carry the thing, come talk, say okay, oh, now like this our own day, now our own be the best. Make una take am, make una use am, and make una believe. But government must dey watch to ensure say they deliver better service. Gloria don dey wait since on top of the line from Lagos. Gloria, good morning.
Gloria, good morning. You see there?
Hello.
Gloria, good morning. Talk to us.
Nkubi.
Yeah.
Chukwudi.
Oga Gloria, your voice thick, oh.
I tell the person Royal, R-O.
Okay, Royal. Sorry.
But I'm like, NEPA, no dey your own name.
They go take note now. Oga Royal, talk to us. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, all of you. You see, my own, I don't want to blame government so much. Who are the government? Chukwudi is a government. Royal that called is a government. Nkubi is a government. Those people on top, those people that are our servants, they are the people serving us. So if we have problem like now, you go to my house. There was a day some members of the power, NEPA, whatever, came. Can you believe somebody, we have a prepaid meter, and maybe he have a washing machine in his house, he have an air condition, then he will not connect it to that prepaid meter. He will connect it
directly to power to.
He will not be paying for those ones. And the same NEPA people that will come and connect the same thing to the same person. Illegal connection, go to Lagos Island, none of them is paying bill. Then who are you to blame? Are you to blame your servant that is maybe the president or whatever? What we need in this country, you pay your bill, you hold your things in the hand. We all will come out. We go for protest. Tell them, if you don't give us life, nothing will work in this country. But in this country, nobody wants to protest. Nobody wants to die. You leave somebody that is serving you. He will be doing whatever thing he wants. If we do the right thing, have their documents in their hand, you go to the office, you tell them, this is what they do. They must do it. But this one, we just leave them. They will be living at the high level. We that paid the money they used to pay for their salaries, then we'll be suffering. But I have credit in my house now. Maybe in the next 3 months, I have not finished my bill. Still yet, I don't have life. What is the essence of me paying ahead?
Oga Royal, thank you very much for that important contribution where you bring. You don't drop and down, say, now we go find solution to this particular problem. Accountability na something where you identify. All the one when me say you go talk, say, you know, consign me. The people when they represent us, what did they go do? Because now we they represent, they must do them well. Oga Obiora, we even call him the ambassador of NEPA must bring light on top of us in the hot. Oga Obiora from Yola, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
I don't bring this issue finally.
Yes, sir.
But I know see lawyer will go help us. I know see NEPA officer will go help us. Because as I talk to them now, the attorney said they'll bring 18,000. My shop is only one shop, one AC, one television, one fridge. And it's 18,000 a month. Now, I went to head office. I asked them. They tell me that as far as I'm doing business, they are making money. That the bill is supposed to be as B1. I asked them, why should you give pure water industry company B1 and give me ordinary pharmaceutical company shop B1? So they tell me that as far as I'm making money, look at it. Okay, I asked them, I want the meter. See what the answer. You will go and pay a Skybank. And after this month, you may get your meter. And you may not get your meter. You may. Anybody. You understand? So, if you cannot ask anybody about your meter, you do not get it. Is it not 419? Why can't these people compare this meter to some people? They will provide meter to us. Even if it's 50,000, we will buy meter and use light. Again, in where my house is, children, they take off our light 2 days now. That somebody provoked them. Now, nobody is becoming to be they want to put themselves in a level of God. That if you that God, I mean the idle ones, that if you provoke them, they will strike you down. Because of one person, they take out life of the whole community. Is it not a very big corruption? Could not build a plant. Some people used to destroy those plants. Now those plants is working. For these 2 months, for this month now, you see that the level have dropped. Not as the other time. So please, you need to help us solve this issue more and more and more. And now we have decided that we will remove our light. So it's better we use the generator than to use NEPA. Because again, you spend 300 naira in fuel.
Oga Obiora, thank you very, very much. Just like we hear your voice, come talk, say, yes, so just like every other Nigerian, maybe we can't discuss this issue. We believe, say, those where the matter concern, that they take note of all the problems and the solution when they profile as it take concern the power sector for inside Obodo Nigeria. Make we quick rush enter this break. When we come back, we'll continue to discuss this matter As E DEY HOT, no go anywhere. Welcome back to As E DEY HOT, on top of the senior brother for the television station when they inside the world, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. Every 10 to 11 for weekday don't turn Christmas because all the topic when they pinch us inside Obodo Nigeria, we they discuss them and everybody when the matter concern, then they take notes so that they go take the necessary action. The one when they talk to, they get to do with the power sector. Whether for inside Obodo Nigeria, we go ever get light and make it stable for this country. We talk of Anioma and Oshimili communities when they inside Delta State, when we say they don't come and say they don't fit take them again. No. Say for 7 years, they never get light. We also talk about the community for Ondo South when they talk say, say for 6 months now, and they don't hear anything about whether light go there or you no go there. Oga Kalu call us from Enugu, come send us go in village, say for Afikpo South, for inside the Ebonyi State. Say for like 1 year, they don't forget anything when be power. People don't talk about these problems. We don't prefer solution. Now to analyze them and move forward. Make they go with that.
Chukwudi, people don't outline some of the issues where they affect their power, or rather, people don't talk. Say yes, they don't get power for a very long while. Can't give us estimation like the community we just mentioned, 6, 7 years and this thing. But the question was there, I would say, these people get people where they represent them for government.
Exactly.
Which is very, very, very important. They get people they represent, they get honorables for House of Rep. They will also get senators where they represent their region. They will also get governor, will be their governor. Okay, how much, waiting be their efforts, waiting they don't do so far to at least say, they report this matter to their leaders. If not today, to the royal fathers there, at least make the royal fathers fit talk to whoever.
You see, the problem when I get is sometimes when we want to blame the people, somehow, the thing they pay me because if you represent the people, when during the campaign you come out from the people, talk say you won't go represent them. You supposed to come back, ask them for their problem.
If they even they talk,
because now you be the voice of the people for government.
As a matter of fact,
7 years.
As a matter of fact, I don't believe say whoever will they represent them could not say they no get light.
Exactly.
Because now 7 years because that same person could don't go back there like how many times go do campaign.
Exactly.
Bear in mind, you don't go there go do campaign like 2 times.
And if you say some of these people when they go do campaign, then they won't share generator.
Not be with the solution. Oga Sam, all the way from Ikoto. Oga Sam, talk to us. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Ezugwu Chukwudi.
Oga Sam, we greet you.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, the matter this morning, the genesis of it all is corruption. It begins from corruption. Because if there's no corruption, there will not be all of these problems.
Exactly.
And let me use one English this morning. We have pseudo allies. These people constitute to say they are a group of persons who say that it is their wish that must be our command. Otherwise, the people of Naija are saying is from the political elite to the colonial masters to the monarchy system to the religious system of Boston. Pseudo attitude to life because they don't have fear of God. Vis-a-vis, the issue of light is an issue that after colonial master left this country under the word ECN, we were having light steadily. Obasanjo came and changed it to NEPA. From NEPA to Pt.2.
Okay.
And in the light of that, the intellectuals like Yaradua and who are graduates came and saw the light and said, look, let them privatize this energy so that people will be able to purchase it as we are buying a network from various network systems in the country. Therefore, the issue of light has been a problem that we persist for so long that until and unless the system is breaking down, that every segment that is sold, like operating light, will give us light and will pay for it. Even the so-called meter they are paying for, then if you pay for it, the next one you don't even get it. It's not going to say it's not going to exist. I heard Usman Kupu saying that they spent 11 million to connect all the lights, coming to the old system, but yet they haven't got light.
Oga Sam, thank you very, very much. You don't complete this matter for us on top of As E DEY HOT, and we appreciate all the solution when you don't give to this our problem. we don't gather everything. This is no matter where we say we go still continue to dey talk am because so long as we no see change when we say we will come dey confident say inside this our country e be like home because Naija belong to all of us. Say we don dey get light and everything don dey okay. We go continue to dey talk. Our people when dey for house, all the topic when they pinch us inside Obodo Nigeria, now we go dey carry come. Una don see say this program now indeed the only democracy when dey on top of television because when the people they fear to talk, we dey talk am and we believe say those when the matter concern they hear and they go take the necessary action. Nkubi, we don't talk too much about we go do this, we go do that, we go do that. Time to take action don't reach. Now why as I dress come, when me and you agree say we will go help, we will go deliver, convey the message of people. You leave, you carry glove. I don't know whether na Bundesliga you won't go keep for. Glove when we say if you even wear and the thing go reach your elbow. I don't pack my own tools come. Make we begin the move action to see how we go fit they do all these things. Not because I want charge, but when I finish with this one first, we go move, they do all these things when we say we won't move to carry our this.
Pause. Wait me that one. No, raise her up, mid and Siam. What do you want to take spoon do, Chukwudi?
You just enter the
Spoon be tool. I understand even all these things where you bring. What be the tool here? If they find where you go charge your phone, I'll be where you go charge your thing. Okay, where the pliers? Where the screwdrivers? Where the cables? Where everything? See where the end waiting. We know the end anything, no. Make Nigerians see. I brought this one. Chukwudi dey complain. See where do you bring spoon? You want go come? What thing I want go?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.